back to my channel if you are returning. I know, I look a little different. I cut my hair. I really love it. It's different. I have not ever had a bob before. Just kidding. This is a U-part wig. That was only $30 and I got it from Amazon. If you have been looking for a perfect protective hairstyle, wanted to try a bob without cutting your actual hair, or just wanted to try something different and new, this is the perfect video for you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button before you do anything else, and stay tuned. Day two, not really, it's day two of the video, but in real life it's like a week later. I recorded, but it didn't fully record, so I'm gonna just redo it all. And honestly, because I think it's kind of good on my end, because I was able to really see like how the wig feels, how it works. if I truly like it or not. So yeah. Okay, so personally, when I first tried the wig on, I was having trouble curling it because it was so short in the back. What I have come to find out, it's so much easier to curl it while it's on a wig head and then put it on and then bring your hair like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I have my little mobile wig head, and also I do really like this wig. I will say it is pretty thin. I did get it from Amazon, so I wasn't expecting it to be super dense or anything. I wasn't expecting that. It was only $30, so I got what I bargained for. I wasn't expecting it to be just like out of this world amazing, but I do still like it. And a lot of people thought I cut my real hair because I guess it looks very natural. So people were like, you cut your hair, you cut your hair. No, this is a little U-part wig. Get into it, get you one if you want to, especially because I always have wanted to see how I would look like with short hair with a bob. Like, I've always just wanted to, but without actually cutting my hair. And this is such a good way around it, basically. So, okay, so this is what the wig looks like. It does still have some curls in it a little bit, but that's okay. Another thing that I noticed with the wig, the curls more so in the front last, but the curls in the back don't last that long. And I don't know if it's because like when I'm driving and my head is on the headrest, so it like ends up making the curls fall. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I noticed the curls in the front, like on the sides and in the front, they last, with the curls in the back, they fall a lot quicker. And yeah, we're just gonna start. Oh, let me put one back there. We're just gonna start curling it. Yeah, let's
This is a bad one. Yeah, this is a bad one.
Okay, so my braids are a little bit messed up, but who cares? Like, they're not getting seen anyways. Also, for the braids in the back, I think I blow dried my hair a little too good because the braids would not stay at the bottom. So I ended up just putting a hair tie on it and tucking it under the braids. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is how I do mine. I know I look crazy. That's okay. It's a part of the process. with this sort in my face. It's okay. It's a part of the process. And it is. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I take the clips and unclip them. Okay, this is definitely something I learned with this bob, because I have not been having, like, sometimes when you wear U-part wigs and V-part wigs, they hurt. Like, after a while, it gives you a headache. And I think it's because the clips, like, I think the headache comes from the clips. What I have done this time, and this is literally the only time that I've ever done this, I have put my, let me put this on. But I have put the clips, like, I obviously still do the clips like in the front, and I do it in the, put the clips in, or put the little comb piece, because it's not a clip, put the little comb piece in the back. But what I've done, and I think it's like changed the game for me. I put this clip, I don't really put it in between the braid. I only put it like enough on the braid, very like lightly on the braid, like it's catching some hair, but it's not really like catching a lot of hair, because I noticed when I was putting the clips all the way around the braid, that's what was giving me a headache, because I have not had no headache wearing this wig. So I put it like more so at the front of the braid, or like on a little piece of the braid, like where it's catching some hair, and it won't go nowhere. It's still secure because it's definitely not gonna go nowhere, but it's not really like on the whole entire braid. Like it's in between some hair pieces, and that has helped so much. I don't have any type of headaches, like at all. Okay, so my hair was kind of already curled a little bit, but we're gonna touch it up a little bit. So this is just how it looks on. I did put the clips on. Again, I put it in between the braid. I put it on like very minimal pieces in the braid so that it's not on the entire braid, so it's not, I don't know, whatever that does. Maybe it creates some type of tension, it gives you a headache and it starts hurting, but I have not experienced any of that since wearing this wig. But yeah, so I'm gonna like touch it up and obviously cover like the perimeter of the U part, and then I'm like just comb it out, finger comb it out, you know, just make it blend and make it look like something. So because I have long hair, like longer than the bob, like even in like the front section or like my middle section, because I did not want to cut my hair or my leave out just so it could blend in with the bob, that's why I curl it, because obviously like with curls it makes it a lot shorter. So it helps. It just helps me from, and prevents me from having to cut it, and helps it to blend naturally, honestly. And see, it's starting to look like something on this side. Just have to do the same to this side. And I just use the wax stick to try to make sure that none of the hair moves around the perimeter of the wig so that you just don't see. Okay, so this is how it ended up turning out. I'm gonna give you guys like a 360 so you can see it all. Oh, we're gonna try that again. Yes, and it's bouncy, it's not stiff.
For real, stiff what? Oh, no way. Stiff what? Well, no.
It's super cute and it blends really well with my hair. I actually like a short little cut on me. Like it gives me like a very mature, sophisticated look. Like I love it. Like it looks very natural and it looks like my real hair. My sister was even like, "You cut your hair so short. Why? Why did you cut it so short?" Y'all, if my sister thought this was my real hair, Texas, Kansas, Houston, we have a problem. Like, like it looks that natural. It just looks so good. Oh, also the hair hasn't shedded much in my opinion. I think I seen it shed like one time, and that was because something was kind of like stuck, like some lint was stuck, and I pulled, and then I saw like a lot of hair come out, but besides that it has not shed. And if you want to try it out, the link is in the description below. I think you should do it. If you do try this wig out, contact me on my Instagram. You can stay in contact with me on there. Let me know how it turned out. I want to see pictures. I want to see it all. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Please also like the video if you did enjoy it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.